Hi, today I'm going to show you how to enable login function in Langflow serves to authenticate users and protect sensitive route in the application. So first thing, we need to open the Langflow project. And in the root folder, we create a .env file, which is an environment variables file. In this file, we need to add some environment variables. Langflow auto login. We set it to true. Sorry, we set it to false. Yeah, so that's it. And then the next step, when we launch Langflow, we need to specify the environment variables file. env file and press enter. Now, here, Langflow is launching. And then you will see the login page. There is a default user called Langflow. The password is the same. And click sign in. Now we're able to log in the Langflow. Let's go back to the previous flow we created in the previous video. Here, at this point, when we want to integrate the API, we can use the same. The HTML integration we see here, it shows another attribute called API key. So if we don't have this API key, and it will show some errors. Let me try that. So we open the test HTML file. And here, we can open the inspect mode. So just make sure. Okay, now there's no API key attribute. Here, we test, we say hi, and then we check the console log. It shows 403 forbidden. Yeah, so, and then if we add the API key and we refresh and ask question again, yeah, so this time it's success. So to generate the API key is also very easy. We can go here, go to the profile, and click on settings. And here you can see the Langflow API. So you can just easily click the add button and create a new one. And that's it. Also, we can specify an endpoint. Like here, click on the top left corner, we click on the name of the flow and click on setting. We can specify the endpoint name. Yeah, that's all the videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.